I'm gonna give you 5 tips on my Instagram page that how do I get 90,000 followers for my basketball 545 page. And I want you to implement these 5 tips on your Instagram page and let me know if you can see a huge growth on your page. And also at the very end, I'm gonna show you a secret tip, a secret weapon the most people are doing wrong on Instagram so you can fix it today. So with that all coming up, then let's get into. Hey, my name is Johnson Lin and this channel is all about my Instagram journey, Instagram growth, Instagram promotion, and make money online. So when I start my Instagram journey, the first thing that I will need to do is to pick a niche. So what do I mean that the niche is your specific interest? So what do you like the most? Maybe it's basketball, maybe it's fiction, maybe it's business. So you need to think about what you're passionate with. So you're gonna focus on your passion. So later on in the future, when you're creating a lot of different content or you're posting a lot of content that repost on other people's content, you will feel fun. And with your interest, with your content, the best part, if that can help other people, then that would be perfect. And right now in 2022, you will need to niche down. So what do I mean niche down? For example, like if you are in the basketball niche, then I would love you to do is to niche down to players. Do not just posting all different kind of basketball because right now it's too saturated on Instagram. So you want to niche down. So you're gonna post one specific player. For example, maybe you can post a page about LeBron James. So everything on your page is about LeBron James. So that is called a niche down. So in the future, you will have more target audience. So this is the first way to pick a niche. So the second tip is consistently. Yes, I know you heard this consistently a lot of time. Why consistently is so important? So just think about Netflix. If you are watching Netflix, then you know what time they will have the new episode is coming up and you will get excited, right? So just think about another way, your audience that will really want to see your next episode. So you will have scheduled your post so your audience will know on what time, what day your next video will coming up. So this is really important. You need to schedule your post. So every time you're gonna post every single day. So keep giving your audience free content that they want. So they will get excited, then they will turn it into loyalty fans. So in the future, when you want to promote any product you want to make money, will be much easier. Tip number 3 is stick on your plan. So what do I mean that is you're gonna stay focused on every single day how many posts that you want to post. For example, my basketball 545 page, I post 2 feed posts, 5 reels and 5 stories. So I post 12 times on Instagram. Why do I post so much on Instagram? First, I want to let Instagram knows I'm a serious business, I'm a serious man. I'm doing business serious on Instagram and letting Instagram promote my content to reach even more people. And second, each your post, it's a lottery ticket because you never know which your post will going viral. So the more you can post on your page, the better will be. It might be just your next post is coming up and it's going to turn it into 1 million of views and give you millions of followers. So this is really important. Stay on your plan. So how many reels, how many feed posts, how many story that you post on your Instagram page every single day. And also if you want me to review your Instagram account, then leave your ID on the comment section. I want to make a video about reviewing people's Instagram account, okay? And also like this video, letting YouTube showing this video to more people that they want to watch this video. And also keep watch until the end because I'm gonna review the most secret weapon, secret tip that fix your account. Okay, so the next tip is looking for the video or the post that is people want to react on that. People will like the video, people will comment on it, people will share, people will save. This is really important because this is showing Instagram this is a real nice content, so Instagram will put that content to reach more people, so that will turn it into more followers for you. So always looking for content that is people want to engage on that, so it will be much easier to going viral on Instagram. Next tips, be patient. So normally that I do is on my Instagram page, when I post reels on my page, I will wait at least 1 week. Because normally after a week, you can start seeing your reels going viral on Instagram. The first hour that normally on my page that I will get around 1,000 views, and after 24 hours I will get around 10,000 views, and after a week I will get like 50,000 to 100,000. So you need to give time for your reels, because you need to give Instagram to put your content out there and letting people to watching your video, to interact on your videos, and if people like that the video, they will comment on that, and that is a signal showing Instagram this is a good content, so Instagram will promote to more people, then your video will going viral. So you need to be patient, wait for your video to going viral. Do not just wait for like a few hours then you give up. Most of the people that doing on Instagram is they will give up on the day before they success. And that is really sad about that. And you and I doesn't want that happen. So we will wait until the video be successful. So here are the bonus tips. If your page is under 5,000 followers and most of your posts won't go up to the explore page. Explore page is the way that your posts go up there or easily going viral, because most of the people are on explore page. So what you can do is you can use the hashtag strategy. So what do I do with the hashtag strategy is I will find 30 hashtags that is related to that video. So I'm gonna use that video to going up to the hashtag so people can find my content. So this is really important. Why do I use 30 hashtags? Because each hashtag will give me an opportunity to reach more people, to reach new people. So I use all 30 hashtags, because Instagram gives you 30, why don't you use 30? The more hashtag you use, the more chance that you can reach more people. So how to find the right hashtag for your page? Then inside this video, I'm gonna show you 2 methods that you can find the right hashtag for your page. So I will see you in that video. See you. Bye guys.